with John and Diana in Bethesda, Maryland.
We wanted to upgrade the bathroom because the house is older, built in 2008, built 15 years ago. It had the small 6 by 6 inch tiles in the bathroom. It looked very dated. It was a darker color. The shower walls went all the way up to the ceiling, and it was enclosed. You felt like you were in a cave when you took a shower. And we just wanted something lighter, brighter, and more updated and modern.
Generally, I was happy with most of the layout of the old bathroom, but one problem I had is that it did not connect to my closet. And part of this upgrade is that I want to have an access where my closet could come into the bedroom. Well, I actually met Charlie a year earlier. Before this project, I also had a project in the kitchen downstairs, and we wanted to upgrade the kitchen island. Kitchen island was a sort of a triangular shape somewhat, and we wanted to make it a large rectangular shape. So after interviewing quite a few people, Charlie was just a breath of fresh air. From the first day I met him, he was a very warm, sincere individual, and I always felt comfortable. And in just talking a little bit more detail with Charlie, I felt very confident that he knows what he's doing, his company is very reputable, and he would be easy to work with. And that turned out to be absolutely true, and I was extremely happy. So when it's time to do the bathroom upgrade, Charlie's definitely on my list to compare and call.
Yeah, we're very glad we selected Charlie and BullRun. They're easy to work with, very knowledgeable, great suggestions and recommendations for choices and design and that sort of thing.
Hi everyone, this is Charlie Özdemir with BullRun Kitchen and Bed. We are here, Mr. and Mrs. Jan's master bedroom suite today. So I just want to mention a couple of the improvements we have done in this bathroom. In front of our accent wall, I just want to give you information of the material usage. Basically, we try to use all sudden matte surface being in same texture. Expect this accent wall. The only polished wall surface we use is accent wall. We just try to get that reflection out of this lighting chandelier, and we just put a centralized mirror to increase the look. Then it give you very rich like wall looking accent wall tile as soon as you step into that beautiful bathroom. One of the most important part was having an access for the walk-in pantry, and to be able to do that and get exactly symmetric 2 wet closets, we relocate the toilet and we exactly make 2 symmetric rooms on either side of the entrance, as well as the same distances from the accent wall to keep this symmetric. And this opening leads you into the walk-in closet, and the walk-in closet has another access from the other side through the room, so we just keep the options more than only one, just to increase the functionality of the space.
There's 2 things I'd like to add. One is we used to have a jacuzzi behind us that, because it's elevated off the floor, we couldn't access our window. And the new design allowed Charlie to put in a freestanding tub, and therefore with that design, we're now able to access our window. The other thing is that as far as the color selection, tile selections, I defer to Charlie and my wife because I think they're much better at the color scheme. But I did find the accent wall that I thought would work very well with our tile selection, and I'm very glad we did.
Normally when friends want to see our new renovated bathroom, they walk in and see our accent wall, which is such a big wow factor for them. It's very dramatic. I've doubled my storage based on, again, Charlie's recommendation. I'm very pleased with that.
In the closet space, once we add those doors, there was an angular wall space right over here, like created, and an empty space was like unused and unfunctional. So what we did to increase the space in this walk-in closet, we just straighten up this wall and use the same door, install it the like straight wall surface, and we increase the entrance, getting larger entrance area, and also it increased the like footprint of the closet, which provides larger and more functional walk-in closet space for our client.
We're so happy with the end result that I actually enjoy spending time here now. Every time when I shower, because we've had glass enclosure for our showers, I'm able to look outside the window and enjoy the downtown skyline. The skyline views of Bethesda and NIH and Waterbury Hospital.
We're very pleased with the design, with everything they've done. We would highly recommend BullRun to any of our friends and family.